Hello friends, welcome to the new video. We saw the three methods of solution of simultaneous equation. Now we see the fourth method of solution of simultaneous equation, which is called determinant method or Cramer's rule. Then first we see which is called determinant. Let us see. Determinant is the arrangement of numbers or elements in two vertical lines. See here. See here, A, B, C, D. This type of arrangement of numbers or elements is called determinant. In this determinant, AB and CD are called rows and AC and BD are called columns. Degree of this determinant is 2 because there are two elements in each column and two elements in each row. Determinant represent the number AD. Determinant represent the number AD minus BC. First we have to multiply AD and then BC. AD minus BC. Therefore the value of determinant ABCD is AD minus BC, or AD minus BC is the value of determinant ABCD. Determinants are denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. For example, see here, first example, A is equal to 5379. N is equal to -8 -324. B is equal to 2 root 3 9 2 3 root 3. These three examples or arrangement of these numbers, such type of arrangement of number is called as determinant. We also find its value. Now we have to study or learn about the determinant method or Cramer's rule. See how to solve the simultaneous equation by mathematician Cramer's rule using elimination method. First, which are the two equations? First equation is, see here, first equation is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, and second equation is a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. These two equations solved by the Cramer using elimination method, you know that, which is called elimination method. Elimination means by eliminating variable x or variable y. He find the values of variables x and y using elimination method. See here, the value of x is equal to C1 B2 minus C2 B1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Similarly, he find the value of y is equal to A1 C2 minus A2 C1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Now the the mathematician Cramer write these values of x and y in terms of determinant. The value of x in terms of determinant he write in this way. The numerator C1 B2 minus C2 B1 write in these terms C1 C2 B1 B2, and denominator write in terms A1 A2 B1 B2. Now the value of y also write in terms of determinant. See here, value of numerator, value of y, which numerator is denoted by the denominator determinant A1 A2. c1 c2 and the denominator a1 b1 a2 b2. Now these values of numerator and denominator of x and y denoted by the determinant d. See, the denominator of both values is denoted by the determinant d, and the value of d is a1 a2 b1 b2, and the value of dx is c1 c2 b1 b2, and value of dy is equal to a1 c1 a2 c2. In this type, see here, value of d, value of dx and value of dy. Then these values put in the x is equal to dx divided by d. This is the first formula for finding value of x, and y is equal to dy divided by d. This is the second formula for finding y. Therefore, these two values x and y is called solution of that simultaneous equation. See here, if a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, then the denominator d is a1 a2 first column and second column b1 b2. That means coefficients of, in first column coefficients of x and in second column coefficients of y. Then we have the determinant d. How to find determinant dx? The constant term in first column c1 c2 and the coefficients of y b1 b2 in second column. And how to find determinant dy? First, the coefficients of variable x, first column is the coefficients of variable x a1 a2 and constant term c1 c2. When we solve the simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule or determinant method, first step is we write the given equations in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Then find the values of determinant d, dx and dy. Using the formula x is equal to dx divided by d and y is equal to dy divided by d, we find the values of x and y. Now we have to solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. See here, 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11, 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10. We first write in these two equations in terms of ax plus by is equal to c. Now the determinant d is first column is the first column is coefficients of variable x 5 2. See here, 5 2 and second column is coefficients of variable y 3 4. See here. Then the value of this determinant is, first we have to multiply 5 into 4 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 20. That means the value of determinant d is 20. Now the determinant d is, first we have to write the constant term in first column minus 11 10 and the coefficients of y in second column 3 4. Then again the value of this determinant dx is minus 14. Now we write the determinant dy. First the coefficients of variables 5 2 and then the constant terms minus 11 minus 2 in second column. Then we find the value of dy. Hence by using the formula x is equal to dx divided by d, that means minus 14 divided by 14 is equal to minus 1, and y is equal to dy divided by d, that means minus 28 divided by 14 is equal to minus 2. Therefore xy is equal to minus 1 minus 2 is the solution of these two equations. This is called Cramer's rule or determinant method. Thanks.